Hello, if you've been wondering whether you can download apps and games on your HryFine smartwatch like the YouTube app, TikTok app, Spotify, or even download and play games on your HryFine smartwatch, then take a look. Now, on the smartwatch over here, you can literally see that we have different apps like the Facebook app, WhatsApp app, and other social media applications, but you won't be able to find any app store or even the Google Play Store for us to be able to download apps and games from the apps menu of our HryFine smartwatch over here. And also on the HryFine smartwatch app, even though both devices are currently connected together, that is with our HryFine smartwatch over here, you won't be able to find the App Store option or even the Google Play Store option for us to be able to download apps from the phone into the smartwatch. And that is particularly because you cannot download and install other apps into your HryFine smartwatch. The apps we have over here are literally just pre-installed applications into the software of this particular smartwatch, and you cannot go ahead to download more applications. However, keep in mind that depending on the model of your HryFine smartwatch, you should also be able to find certain pre-installed games on the HryFine smartwatch as well. And this particular HryFine smartwatch is one of those smartwatches that actually come with games pre-installed. It is also a HryFine smartwatch and it actually has a game over here, but also you cannot proceed to download more apps and games even on this smartwatch, because even this particular smartwatch does not have the App Store or even the Google Play Store for you to download apps and games. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.